kyōkai. We use this when talking about going on Sundays, weddings, and community events. 教会、日曜日に行ったり、結婚式やイベントの話でよく出てくるよ。It is used as a noun. kyōkai literally refers to both the physical worship building and the community or organization that gathers there. 主にキリスト教で、礼拝する建物やそこに集まる人たち、団体を指すよ。The first kanji means teach or religion. It appears in kyōshitsu and kyoshi. Think of guiding and passing on knowledge. That sense helps you picture instruction or faith being shared. The second kanji means meet or gather. You know it from kaigi and kaisha. It suggests people coming together in one place, so it gives a feeling of a group or meeting. I go to church on Sundays. 私は日曜日に教会へ行きます。私は日曜日に教会へ行きます。The church is very old. その教会はとても古いです。その教会はとても古いです。I saw a wedding at the church. 教会で結婚式を見ました。教会で結婚式を見ました。There is a big church near the station. 駅の近くに大きな教会があります。駅の近くに大きな教会があります。The most common synonym of the word is 礼拝堂。It overlaps when you mean the building itself, especially a smaller worship hall. But 礼拝堂 does not usually include the community idea. The most common antonym of the word is 無宗教. It contrasts a religious place or community with having no religion or religious practice.